We G's. We G's. I think we G's. I think we G's. Reset the best song? Okay, bet. Let's get it. Rap Trench. I already got high hopes, bro. I low-key already got this better than the last album, bro. That crazy? I'm wildin'? How do I feel about first song? I don't have a solid opinion on this. I like it though. I fuck with it.
I know everything about you.
Ugh.
If you not ball hog, then die.
Got rats on the way, yeah. I pass on the way, yeah. I don't fuck nobody. They say I'm a snake, yeah. But I love my ball brothers. They my fucking day ones. Man, mom was stacking them quarters up. Trying to pay phone. Keep pouring up tricks, my dope club.
Oh, I let it be a lie. This is
right there, I'm a lit. You better watch this firearm. Everybody hit that hoe. Body trip, that it gone. I don't know plays all month. I really need to go back home.
I didn't listen to the Bruce leaks. The only thing I heard from the Bruce leaks was I be with them robbers. That leaked during there, right? Facts. So that's the only thing I heard.
Ball baby for life, you should know that. It's my boss. Ball baby for life, you should know that. It's my boss. I'm going up, I got watch. I know you jealous. I don't like who I hang out with. She think my name fellas. I wake up, get high all day. Swear I feel like heaven. I should move when I walk in the room. I feel like 11. I hate life when I'm not with you. It feel like Armageddon.
Bro, off topic, bro. This nigga nose is humongous, bro. Like, it's not even funny, bro.
I ain't trash, I'm at the intersection. Throw the cash, bring it back. Ball, baby, I ain't stressing.
If you not ball hog, then die.
Got rats on the way, yeah. I pass on the way, yeah. I don't fuck nobody. They say I'm a snake, yeah. But I love my ball brothers. They my fucking day ones. Man, mom was stacking them quarters up. Trying to pay phone. Keep pouring up tricks, my dope cup. I don't live long.
I'm in love with this beat. I pulled this one on her too. Nah, that beat fire. I'm not gonna lie. Do I give him 2 for 2? I don't know. I think that's 2 for 2. his flow in here really tough. Hold on. This is what I like to hear.
We'll take a roll. Burning that bread, I don't care about you now. Drinking the fridge, it's cool it down. Way so tall, it look like shit. I said I'm murdered, my car red. I saw that vampire, count little tag. True to my name, I slow to tag. I'm in the yo and I'm booted over eggs. Spill drink on Cuba, got me upset. Plus a re-up, I reply with black. Fucking drink like a kid. Feel like a deer, I walk with the dead. Why old twig, she wanna do cat. I go with Cody, don't wanna do that. Trigger gon' throw a bit bled.
Yeah.
When she did what I said.
Yeah.
Stop on their head. But
Yeah.
you won't give me no credit.
Yeah.
I'm in the bathroom,
I don't even like Protect that much, bro. But this right here.
I ain't my rush, I'm die for the guap. That boy scary, gonna run for the yacht. Quit playing with kitchen, we gon' get the drop. I haven't drank, what the fuck is a drop? Racket slow, got the racks on the couch. Like
and then flow hard as fuck.
Zeros on zeros all in my account. Bitch, I'm a stoner, I smoke at the ounce. Hop in the Hellcat, ramming that pounce. Had to switch up, it was still with the sound. I got some racks and I'm killing them now. So many thoughts, I'm filling them out. You switched up, I'm not hearing you out. I'm the joint, gonna see what I'm about. Sit out your crib, we gon' care about your house. Voice check, yeah, I sound like a monster. Run to the race, we'll take a route. Burning that bread, I don't care about you now. Drinking the fridge, it's cool it down. Way so tall, it look like shit.
His flow in this song with this beat, this shit peak. I'm not gonna lie, I fuck with this.
True to my name, I slow to tag. I'm in the yo and I'm booted over eggs. Spill drink on Cuba, got me upset. Plus a re-up, I reply with black. I pour the motherfucking drink like a kid. Feel like a deer, I walk with the dead. Why old twig, she wanna do kid. I go with Cody, don't wanna do that. Trigger gon' throw a bit bled. I feel like Simon, she did what I said.
Ooh, I got a little C. I didn't even peep. Okay, smooth. Not the whole time. I was on my knees right there, I can't lie. On some Megan Thee Stallion shit. Is that gay? Wrong one. Is that gay? Like I was literally on my knees the whole time on some Megan Thee Stallion and shit. Like that must be a little sweet. I'm not gonna lie, bro. What the hell is a fit? This good fits. This drip. All right, next one.
Shut the fuck up, Chris.
Hold on, bro. Production work. I'm really fucking with it, bro. These niggas wildin'.
Honey, chop it, buzz it. I get a cash out drink, cash out regular, touch it. We blissy, you pussy, we blissy, you pussy, we rush it.
He's not that hard. Okay. Damn.
Yeah, I stare at some land shots. Drive square in front of college. Bitch, I get out of the way when you bottom. Red cheap, I don't drive the Impala. Only my swallow, I won't fuck it each one. But pussy, these stones in my neck like a problem. Drinking my first like I move with the doctor. Honey, chop it, buzz it. I get a cash out drink, cash out regular, touch it. We blissy, you pussy, we blissy, you pussy, we rush it. I said, yeah, you have my little money. Red dye, all the take a run. I be jumping from under the sun.
Okay.
I got camera on me like Bush Bunny. I stay with some lad, I stay.
I don't know, bruh. Do I fuck with this? This one is interesting, bro. I don't know if I fuck with this phone here, but puffy ass jacket. Nigga talking about the jacket.
She on her way. She said that she wanna make up. I can tell this finna fuck my day up. No, I ain't thinking about it like the blunt. Niggas talking down, I don't say nothing. Make it real easy like a layup. I'ma call you back, I'm about to perform. Then had a whole crowd fucking turned up. Then had a whole.
Why has he got these like ethereal ass beats? This thing. I don't. The whole song ain't even play, but I'm fucking with these.
Whole crowd drunk. She wanna stay all night. She wanna wear my hoodie, wear my big. Red Owen Van, I said skate.
I feel gay.
Now you can't get in, you too late.
And you do it. Wait, why he low-key making me flow? I flow with these.
I couldn't stay.
This is fun.
But I hope I'll jump like a rave. They say the trap underground cave. We're going to jewelry, you know I mix flavors. Hit that hoe, go by my day like baby, see you later. Fin break out my little shop and break out like cicada. I know they watching me, they try to say what I made up. I'm finna show these niggas why I am the greatest. Look at my fans, got the whole crowd jumping. I'm sorry I popped this in, it's making it hard to stand. Get off your knees and hands, you do it till you can. I just tell my mind that I fucking hate it.
Nigga, did he get his own Avengers? I don't know, bruh. Why is my mouse fucked? Like, I can't even move it like an inch. Holy shit. And they don't say nobody on Japan. I don't know who that is. Why am I looking at here like I'm tapped in?
I got a show in the morning, hope I make it. I got a show in the morning, hope I make it. Yeah, hope I make it. Yeah, hope I make it. She said that she on the way. She said that she wanna make up. I can tell this feeling fuck my day up. No, I ain't thinking about it like the blunt up. Niggas talking down while I don't say nothing. Make it look easy like a layup. I'ma call you back, I'm about to perform. Fin had the whole crowd fucking turned up. Fin had the whole crowd fun. Whole crowd drama.
Bro, I can just imagine Serpent, bro. Like, I don't even like the fact that I'm fucking with this like this, bro.
My son gon' ball like Dion. With a bad with 21. Got a big ass glide like Leon. And my chain really do look Peter.
Wait, I'm not gonna lie, bro. He just prestige. I really fuck with this. This comp, like, I'm really enjoying myself.
For me, tell by her new ones. Box on the Glock, it look like it's glued on. I see the dead, I feel like Leon. I hit her left and right like Tamaran. He sippin' green, that boy sippin' neon. No, I don't ask for the nap, not neon. Cold in Buffalo, I put the heat on. I need a...
What type of bar did you just include in here?
She'll for me, tell by her new ones. Box on the Glock, it look like it's glued on. I see the dead, I feel like Leon. I hit her left and right like Tamaran. He sippin' green, that boy sippin' neon. No, I don't ask for the nap, not neon. Cold in Buffalo.
Nigga, this neon. Nigga said, no, I don't act for the net. No, I'm not neon. Hello, my little princess? What the actual fuck?
I put the heat on. I need a rap, I'm finna put a beat on. All of these raps like GTA cheats on. 612, I'm finna get my speed on. Got chainsaw, so I feel like Leon. He said trap music, bitch.
That's good tech. That's good tech. Ugh, hold on. Producer freestyle. We don't got time for you.
That's my accent, real. My little rush, talking like killers.
Chuck, you seen what happened to sound design by who? Like SSG Kobe? What happened? No, I didn't see. What happened? Put me down. He changed the beat. What do you mean? Kind of distracted for this song. I fuck with it though. Go listen to it if you dare. What? He changed the beat for the one on DSPs. What? Are you dead ass? Like if I play it on Spotify, it's fucked up. That's cap. I gotta be some form of cap.
Put that shit 23 times, yo.
I need a reset. I need a reset. I wanna play, I wanna be jet. If you see me, I rap my shit. 10K for a show, I kinda bitch it. I'm stuck on a wall, like a flyer. I get so high, turn to a crier. Said you had my bag, you a liar. I can't get out of bed, I'm so tired. All I go miss set a fire. All I wanna do is inspire. But they hate on me for a high look. That shit turned me to a hider. But I can't be no hider. That's why I creep like a spider. First seat, yeah, I'm the driver. Make sure we get her safer than if someone else drove it. Feel like my heart, he wrote it. Got him going, he wrote it. My life changed all shit. Diving no thought like dolphin. Can't stay together like dolphins. I get it green like Boston. Diamonds on the water like dolphins. I need a reset.
This beat gives me fucking anxiety, bro. Hold on, let me listen again from this.
Put that shit 23 times, yo.
Who the fuck made this? This shit hard though. Fuck with it. Just threw me off. Cause bro, what the fuck is this?
If someone else drove it, feel like my heart, he wrote it. Got him going, he wrote it. My life changed all shit. Diving no thought like dolphin. Can't stay together like dolphins. I get it green like Boston. Diamonds on the water like dolphins. I need a reset. I need a reset. I wanna play, I wanna be jet.
I'm iffy on this one. Yeah, I don't know. I have to come back to that. What? Would you fuck your cousin if they were What are you talking about? Fucking my cousin? Huh? And who was that? You don't know? Don't even investigate? Nah, low-key want to investigate. Hold on, let's get through the album first. You ain't seen the Kenneth and Catalina situation? No. Who are those people?
I switched to rice and some cheese. Look at I get the blue and the green. Say she love me like, what did that mean? Dumb shit, I feel 2,000 on lean. Dumb shit, I feel like Joe Green. Everyone watching look at like a screen. When I was a kid, I was rockin' Supreme. I know this fuck, I'm still rockin' Supreme. My brother like, oh, Supreme. Fuck, drop out, it's 130 above. Drop out, it's 130 above. I ass with some rest, some jeans. Look at I get the blue and the green. Said she love me like, what did that mean? Dumb shit, I feel 2000 on lean. Dumb shit, I feel like Joe Green. Everyone watching look at like a screen. When I was a kid, I was rockin' Supreme. I know this fuck, I'm still rockin' Supreme. My brother like Austin Reeves. Catch y'all out, I'm making him leave. I'm on your TV like The Grudge. Talking on me like I'm fudge. Shout out, it's 130 above. Shout out, it's 130 above.
I like that. I fuck with it. This nigga beat choices on this interesting though. I'm not gonna lie. I fuck with the little switch though. That little 2 song right there. No holds hard.
Get it together, new pack, it came in the mailer. Yeah, I saw roll this wood, I feel better. I get on my grind, I'm a fucking skater. I get on my grind, I feel like I'm catered. I was misfit. You can't bet all the time, he got 6 cents. Just top on my money, now I'm 6'10". My little cousin called me just to 67. I just hit a job, I'm so ratchet.
This nigga beat choice on this project. Insane. I'm not gonna lie for it.
Brand new man for my Glock, I attach it. If she throw that ass, I'm gon' catch it. I sold up brown, yeah, it look rancid. Find yourself, get it together. New pack, it came in the mailer. Once I roll this wood, I feel better. I get on my grind, I'm a fucking skater. I get on my grind, I feel like I'm catered.
I get on my grind, I feel like a skater. Last of Us. Why is the best song I heard from this nigga? Hold on.
I ain't even hit my prime yet. I ain't even hit my slime yet. I really done lost my mind now. I ain't take a chill pill. Die for me, so I know it's real. Slide for me, so I know it's real. Hit on you, confirm the kill. SRT, where that will. Hop on, big black trunk. Hop on, big black trunk. Brand new palm clutch. Hit your house out what? It's only me, my brothers. It's the last of us.
How about this? This is the best song on here. This is the best song I've heard so far. One more. What? Nigga, I ain't seen no clip of this or nothing. This what he sampled? Yeah, bro. Say goodbye to all them streams.
Jacob, I love you.
nigga, is that the song or is that my PC? What the fuck?
You gon' do it, let me know when it happened, so I can be a part of this. You wasn't here when we started this. How the fuck is you gon' be a part of this? We got big bullets tryna hit a nigga. You could make an impact, just do it, nigga. I was fucking gas, tryna get up. I was hoping that someone found me. I be posted up where the house be. Diamonds on my neck, I be trying to need me. Why these niggas tryna clown me? Probably cause they don't got money. I was down when you found me. Now I'm up and I'm shining. Money stack taller than he on me. Bitch give a brain and a scholarly. Big ass Draco and his bitch hollering. Bad bitch, Instagram follow me. Bad hoe on the ground swallowing. Why they be that ball hard follow me? These nigga music suck honestly. Money different colors like a tapestry. Tryna get paid like an athlete. Spend my money on expensive clothing. Shot a hoodie and push a mirror. Staying on in a place falling off. Breaking high like.
This is low-key an insane sample, no lie. I still fuck with the song before this, like right before this more, but this fire.
I'm a ball hard, niggas fear me. I'm a ball hard, nigga clearly. Get loud, kitty niggas hear me. That take, get away. Oh my god, you gon' do it. Let me know when it happened, so I can be a part of this. You wasn't here when we started this. How the fuck is you gon' be a part of this? We got big bullets tryna hit a nigga. You could make an impact, just do it, nigga. I was fucking gas, tryna get up. I was hoping that someone found me. I be posted up where the house be. Diamonds on my neck, I be tryna need me. Why these niggas tryna clown me?
This good song,
Cause they don't got money. I was down when you found me. Now I'm up and I'm shining.
Jacob.
I gotta give this whole thing a re-listen, but I'm not gonna lie, these last two are 100% playlist, like, first ballots, bro. Holy hell, tough. Wrong one, holy shit. That shit tough.